Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today I'll be showing you how it is I make my own stew peas, Jamaican stew peas with pigtail. So if you guys know me, you know I am a lover of pork, all things pork. Bacon, ribs, stew peas with pigtail, you know. I love me some roast pork. Yeah, name it, I'll probably try it. So today I'll be showing you how it is I make my stew peas. So we're in the kitchen. I know a long time I'm gonna see a video with my face when we're in the kitchen, so I decided to do the intro so you can see me today, right? So already what I would have started to prepare, I don't know if you can see it, but I'll tilt the camera. So this is the peas that has been soaking since morning, and tilt the camera, and the pigtail that has been soaking. So those things have been soaked or being soaked. So the next thing you'll see is what other things I'll be using. You know, I always have my little setup and whatever, so I'm going to do that next and then we get into the cooking, right? So let's go. So guys, despite what I said a while ago in the intro, I actually went on to put in the peas and the pigtail to boil. So you know, you have to boil out some of the sauce out of the pigtail, and why not put the peas to start cooking at the same time, save on some time, you know. So that's what's happening now. So guys, after about 30 minutes, I drain the water from the pigtail, and then I'll be combining the peas and the pigtail together in the pressure cooker. I'm going to leave this to cook further, well, pressure further, because the peas, as you can see, is not yet cooked, and stew peas have to cook, the peas have to cook, so yeah. Guys, just go and test now if peas are cooked or close to cook. So I always say you have to test more than one peas, because you have to, there can be different peas mixed together, so you have to test more than one to know if all of them is cooked. So while the pots are bubble and the peas are cooked, I'm preparing the seasoning. So you can see I'm using onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, and Scotch bonnet pepper, right? So this will be added to the pot in due time. So of course it can be stew peas without some spinners. Well, it can be if you want to add some cornstarch to the pot, but I prefer to just make some spinners. I am really not a fan of spinners in my stew peas, but you know, I like how it looks and stuff. I like how it looks. So here I am kneading that dumpling, and of course I am not doing the Stush Uptown version with a spoon, but actually using my hands. So yeah. So guys, I'd already added the seasoning to the pot. That's the scallion and the thyme and the onion and such. I am now going ahead to add the spinner dumplings to the pot. So watch me roll. Yes guys, at this point I actually put 2 normal round dumpling in the pot. Oh no, don't judge me. I really didn't want too many spinners in there, so, and I wasn't going to waste my flour, so you know, 2 nice big round dumplings, they work just the same. So guys, of course your stew peas have to have coconut milk in there. I'm actually using powdered coconut milk, you know, so just adding it to a cup of water, mix it up and so, and then we'll just go ahead to add it to the pot. So I'm also going to add a piece of margarine here. I'm actually using low fat. You know, you have to cut the fat where you can. So cutting it in the butter. So I know by now, I'm not wondering why I'm not showing the inside of the pot. So here what? Let me just give you guys a little peek into how the pot is bubbling, right? Now at this point, all the stew peas needs to do is just to come down, stew down, anything you want to call it, thicken up, and there it is. The pot is almost ready. Now no look for my stew peas and tell me the truth. I don't want a plate. So the rice pot is simmering down on the side right there, so you know I'm about to turn this off and we're going to move to sharing. So guys, that's how I do my Jamaican stew peas with pigtail. And here it is, served and ready. We're going on a good belly. So guys, if you want a plate of my stew peas, leave me a thumbs up below. Click that like button. Leave me a comment as well. Let me know when you want me to come run a boat for you. And of course guys, share the video with somebody that you want to see that Mara knows how to make stew peas. And if you don't watch the video and you haven't subscribed as yet, hit the subscribe button. So guys, until next time, continue to be your most authentic self and stay naturally. Bye.
Walk out your majesty, dressed in your royalty.